Hello, my name is Shreyans and I am one of the applicants for the CERN Collide International Residency Award. As a part of my application, I am looking at sonic explorations of the various characteristics of the particles as proposed by the Standard Model and supersymmetry. Now, what do I mean by sonic exploration? Well, from what little I know about particle physics, I understand that the particles each have their own spin, their own electric charge, and they all behave differently. For example, they might transition from one state to another and emit a virtual photon, or they might absorb a photon and then transition, or what have you. Or in the case of neutrinos, they could be in a position, they could be in a state of superposition. Now, my idea is to explore and think about how these might manifest themselves through sound or music, maybe through leitmotifs or musical ideas, and then maybe in a traditional composition put these ideas together and create a traditional composition which can then be played by an orchestra or performed by a choir or both. Or I could also look at device composition, where I identify key musical ideas or key musical sections based on the reflection of information researched in collaboration with the staff at CERN, and put them together in a structure which then allows both musicians and non-musicians to improvise around them, which might result in a unique sounding composition each time. Or I could also facilitate a participatory process in which I design processes in which I get the participants to think about the particles as if the particles were human beings. So asking questions like, what might the particles sound like, what might they be thinking about, how would they move, etc., etc. The possibilities are endless. It all depends upon how the research gets conducted and how it goes forward. Personally, I'm really excited about about the prospect of an opportunity to be making some music and making some art which is inspired by scientific concepts and principles, because I personally love science. I really love physics, and I especially quantum physics, and I try to keep myself informed of the concepts in whatever little way I can. Obviously, I don't understand the math of it, etc. But yeah, I'm so excited about this opportunity, and I'm so glad that an organization like CERN is actively facilitating collaboration between the arts and the sciences, and I really look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.